Welcome to a short video on what this beautiful Global Healers Carnival is all about. So, first of all, for those of you who don't know me yet, I'm Vishnupriya and I'm a holistic healing practitioner myself. And I'm also the founder of zeropointhealing.com. So, it is a web directory that I have created for all holistic healing modalities, for all holistic healing practitioners of so many different variations. We call them the healers, the therapists, the facilitators, the practitioners. So, including, all sorts of different modalities. At this point in time, zeropointhealing.com consists of at least 70 plus different holistic healing modalities. So, that's what the directory is all about. And this year, on the June 20th of 2021, we are creating this event. It's an online event called the Global Healers Carnival. So, what this is first of all, it's an online event, and that's what everything is happening online. And we have practitioners of all of these different modalities who are participating in the event. And there's also, let's say, if you're interested as a participant, you can buy the tickets for Global Healers Carnival. And for every participant, you can book 8 healing sessions, 8 different healing sessions with 8 different holistic healing practitioners who are participating in this particular event, right? So let's say I am a client, I'm a participant who would like to join this particular Global Healers Carnival, then I have the choice to choose 8 different healers as well as book 8 healing sessions, 1 healing session with each of these practitioners. And how this happens is basically on the June 15th, let's say you have already bought a client ticket for this particular event. On the June 15th, you will receive an email which consists of a link that you can click and you can open it up and you can choose that will have the entire list of all healers, all practitioners, and you can take a look at all of them, as well as these are also in different categories, right? So we have 20 plus different categories: stress, anxiety, money, all sorts of relationship issues, emotional issues. So we have so many different categories. So let's say if you have one particular issue in your life, let's say you want to fix financial issues. If that's the case, now you can click the link and you can open up all the practitioners who are who are giving you healing sessions for money and finance, and you can click the link and you can kind of book the session with them. And all of this is happening on the June 20th. So it's starting from 9 a.m. IST, Indian Standard Time, on June 20th, and this is a 24-hour event from June 29 a.m. until June 21 9 a.m. IST. So it's a complete 24 hours. So within this 24 hours, you will have so many different slots with different practitioners. So you can click on any of those practitioners and you can book a link, book a session with them. So that's how this happens. And how this entire kind of idea came up was, for me personally, in my life, last year in 2020, I have personally done at least 100 different sessions with 100 different practitioners of so many different modalities. Personally, I have gone through Psyche session, emotion code, theta healing, Reiki healing is what I got started with. And I have done so many different past life regression sessions. So all of this I received from so many different practitioners. And my entire 2020, as I was going through different practitioners, receiving so many different sessions, my entire life changed upside down. So where I got started, in the start of 2020, and where I ended up was like in a totally different world. Especially, I was going through so many different financial issues, relationship issues, all of that kind of changed upside down. And today it feels like I am living my dream life that I had always been dreamed about. So if you ask me, how was I able to shift and transform my personal life, I would contribute that to, so many different practitioners that I've worked with and so many healing sessions I could receive. Also, what I noticed was, when I'm only working with one practitioner and receiving healing sessions of one specific modality, there were still kind of limitations in my world. So that limitations I was able to remove by working with different practitioners of different modalities. And each of these modalities are like, it's a key to a different door in my life. So, for example, when I go to a Reiki healing session, that clears me in a different way versus when I go for a Theta healing session or an emotion code session and a Psyche session, or maybe Access Consciousness clearing, a soul plan reading session that also changed my life a lot, a quantum consciousness session. So, for me, all of these different modalities and working with different practitioners was like, wow, every session I did was opening up new doors in my life. And for me, it might not have been possible to have such an immense transition in a period of 1 year if I hadn't done so many sessions with different practitioners and different modalities. So that's the inspiration behind this entire Global Healers Carnival. Now it's your opportunity to taste so many different sessions, so many different modalities in a single day, right? So imagine in 1 day, you can go through 8 different practitioners, you can taste 8 different modalities, and you can also use it for a specific issue. If you want, let's say, money issue, you can kind of choose different practitioners, different modalities for the money. Or if you have multiple different issues, let's say health or relationship or any other kind of different challenges that you might be facing, you can choose different modalities for each of these different challenges that you're facing. So this is like totally opening up a new possibility into the world. So that's how we got this entire Global Healers Carnival created. So with that, I invite you to this new adventure that we are putting out into the world, and looking forward to what new possibilities can each of you tap into by going through so many different practitioners in a single day. And I'm looking forward to all this shifts and transformations that each one of you are going to go through with this particular Global Healers Carnival on June 20th. So if you would like to join in, you can click the link, and the ticket cost is only $12. You can also participate as a practitioner if you would like, and you can give 8 healing sessions for 8 different participants. So you can be a practitioner, you can be a participant, or you can be both. We have some of them who have bought both tickets to offer healing sessions and to receive healing sessions. So you are invited to tap into that possibility as well. All right, so that's it from me. If you have any follow-up questions, please do comment below. Thank you. Bye-bye.